Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Now, my landlords, this is what I found on the Twitter, now known as X Streets, right? So, the post is by Shums at my Shumo ZA or Mishumo, however it's pronounced. He said, we need to be honest about this podcast lately, meaning podcast and chill with Meg G. And then I went to the comments and people are not happy with how podcast and chill is going. Ushon, the poster boy, says, I'm a day one chiller. Subscribed back when McG was hosting the podcast from his own house on a worn out couch during the Learn Muleko days before they moved to Ghosty's house by the poolside. I'm still paying the subscription, but believe you me, I hardly ever watch these days. And if I do, then it won't be more than 20 to 25 minutes. Podcast ayisafani. And they asked him, and you still paying the subscription, even if ingasafani, right? And then Bad Girl says, Mama Ho M says, I stopped after Mini Saga as a woman who once had breakup. Okay, excuse me. I stopped after Mini Saga as a woman who once had a breakup was last straw, Shem. So that was the last straw for him. So Shums says, when you are definitely an it girl. I wonder why is it assumed like that. And then Mitra said they stopped doing shows that help celebrities and public figures tell their stories from the bottom to the top. That's what many people are interested in. All they do is gossip about latest news. To make things worse, they have this other group of Sima and others. It's really bad. Oh, guys, ingenaphi ke leyo. And Gentle Brother says, at Podcast and Chill at Soul Penduka, they thriving actually because they know very well. Okay, he wanted to say they know very well. They know very well it will end someday. This is how you should live actually. Nothing lasts forever. They trust they will rock until the walls fall off. So some are asking Guti, what's happening? Maybe they've not been watching Podcast and Chill for a while and they're interested in knowing Guti, what is making Podcast and Chill. I mean, I enjoyed last year's episodes where comedians were brought. Maybe it's because I love comedy, I don't know, but I really enjoyed last year's episode with comedians. Then Ulinda says, no man, I think people think everything revolves around them or they are forced to watch this podcast. If you don't like it, simply don't watch it. There are far too many podcasts to watch. That applies to everything, including entertainment. You simply consume what you like. I agree with this comment, right? You gravitate to what you like more. And remember, at that time, McG's podcast was it was the major one. But now people have options to go and watch all other podcasts, right? The Shums replied and said, the same way you say your opinion of you preference the podcast, I should also say my opinion. Okay, and then it's a back and forth conversation. Then Mtsuka says, I agree with you, my brother. I will be honest without choosing the side. Since it's proven that this is the number one podcast in Africa, I dispute that 100%. This is the greatest podcast on the world. Okay, so Mtsuka is for Podcast and Chill. And then Vulari says, if you don't like the podcast, don't recruit. Just stop watching. So but I recruit my members. I stop and I one. People love Podcast and Chill, guys, and people will come for you if you go sideways with Podcast and Chill. And then Ben said, I stopped watching when McG said he doesn't give a fuck about young people of this country, while majority of young people are the ones supporting it. But also Ben is I think he's one of those that watch clips on TikTok and makes a conclusion because he does not understand what McG was talking about then. And then Wandile said, used to love it, even became a member, but yeah, unfortunately I'm outgrowing it. And then a note here named Buso Dlamini says, but I think they'll be venturing to live streams. I show speed vibes. Oh, that would be nice. Izandla then said, all good things come to an end. They should just move on. Saul gets a real job, which he deserves. Ghost Lady, Ghost Lady back to her grave, and McG remains the cunt he is. Ah, that's funny. And then Tumi said, hate them or love them. Their authenticity is unmatched. For the past years, that's why they keep progressing, because nobody delivers like them. Not even fake feminism. Or the road to 2 million now, or on the road to 2 million now. This person further posted Chilla's punch and a grandeur to show Uguti Bona we are supporting McG wire. Rox said, my last episode was last year, September, and to think I never missed an episode from 2019 to 2025. But I couldn't stand the ignorance and misinformed comments anymore. At least give yourself time to understand topics before making comments to millions and Saul's negativity. Saul is negative. Shims is asking, with his Saul is negative. How? Then Rox responds, Saul is negative. He always views everything about South Africa from a negative angle. He is driving Benz, eating nicely while busy depressing the youth. He doesn't inspire. To him, everything is bad. You must just as well give up. I don't think so. I know. And Brian comes and responds, it seems like you are misinformed. Oh, it seems like you are the one misinformed here. You're commenting about Saul driving a Benz while he's driving a Kia Sportage. Oh, okay. But even if he was driving a Benz, what's wrong with that? Also, tell me 3 things from 2019 till 2025, the time I stopped watching, what he has spoken. So now Urox does not have the 3 things to mention, right? So he opted up to talking about opportunities in South Africa. But guys, Mina, for me personally, Podcast and Chill is one of the most viewed podcasts in Africa. That is a fact. And I will not stop watching Podcast and Chill, not because I necessarily enjoy the content every day, but because I know that it has somebody else's bills to pay. It's not only about McG, it's about other young South Africans that are employed there, which are benefiting from this program. So personally, I am going to continue watching Podcast and Chill and all the other podcasts, which I feel that they are bringing employment to the young ones, because we all know how bad South Africa is when it comes to unemployment. This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.